The arrival of Oumuamua in October 2017. Astronomers made a discovery that would forever change how we look at the universe. For the first time in human history, a celestial object was detected moving through our solar system that clearly did not belong here. It was not born alongside our planets, moons, or asteroids. It had come from elsewhere, from the uncharted depths of interstellar space. The object's trajectory revealed the truth. It had entered our solar system from beyond, passed close to the sun, and was now hurtling back toward the darkness of deep space. Unlike the countless comets and asteroids catalogued before, this was an outsider, a visitor from another star system. Astronomers named it Oumuamua, a Hawaiian term meaning scout or messenger. It was a name chosen with care, for this mysterious traveler seemed to be exactly that, the first scout we had ever observed from the great beyond. From the moment of its detection, Oumuamua ignited both fascination and confusion. Its strange properties challenged every existing category in planetary science. Was it a comet? Not quite. Was it an asteroid? Not really. It seemed to exist in a class all its own, unlike anything seen before. Observations revealed that Oumuamua was highly elongated, shaped more like a needle or a cigar than a typical round asteroid. Its brightness shifted dramatically as it rotated, suggesting an unusual, tumbling motion. And then came the most puzzling detail of all. As it moved away from the sun, it began to accelerate in a way that could not be explained by gravity alone. Comets can speed up as ice on their surface vaporizes into jets of gas, but Oumuamua showed no tail, no cloud of dust, no visible outgassing at all. Asteroids, on the other hand, remained steady and predictable, yet this object seemed to defy those expectations. It was as if something else, something unseen, was pushing it forward. This strange behavior fueled a storm of theories. Some scientists argued it might be a shard of frozen hydrogen or nitrogen, slowly evaporating in ways too subtle to detect. Others suggested that it could be a fragment of a planet ripped apart by gravitational forces in some distant solar system. And then there were those who ventured further, daring to ask, could it be artificial? Could Oumuamua be a probe, a spacecraft, or even a relic left behind by an advanced civilization? The debate captured the imagination of the world. For the first time, humanity was faced with the possibility that an object from another star had passed right through our cosmic backyard. And if one had arrived, surely others would follow. But at the time of its discovery, technology limited how much we could learn. By the time telescopes locked onto Oumuamua, it was already speeding away, making close observation difficult. Much about its true nature remained out of reach, hidden in mystery. Years later, however, humanity gained a new tool that would change everything: the James Webb Space Telescope. Launched in December 2021, Webb was designed to look deeper into space and further back in time than any instrument before it. Unlike the Hubble Space Telescope, which primarily observed visible light, Webb was built to detect infrared radiation, the faint heat signatures of distant objects invisible to the human eye. This ability made it uniquely suited to the task of revisiting Oumuamua, even as it drifted farther away from our solar neighborhood. When astronomers directed Webb's powerful gaze toward the interstellar visitor, the results were nothing short of extraordinary. For the first time, humanity captured a clear and authentic visual image of Oumuamua. What the telescope revealed astonished scientists. Webb's instruments showed an asymmetrical, elongated body, marked with grooves and pitted with craters. It bore the unmistakable scars of countless millennia spent drifting through the void, battered by cosmic dust and radiation as it wandered between stars. But the surprises did not stop there. Webb detected unusual chemical signatures on its surface, complex organic molecules and rare elements almost never found in our solar system. This evidence strongly suggested that Oumuamua had come from a cosmic region vastly different from our own, perhaps a stellar nursery where stars and planets are born in violent bursts of creation. Yet the most perplexing detail persisted: the mystery of its acceleration. Webb's high-precision data ruled out the idea of gas jets or evaporation. Instead, it hinted at something more exotic, perhaps a form of light sail propulsion, a technology long theorized by scientists on Earth. A light sail works by harnessing the pressure of photons, particles of light, to push an object forward, much like the wind pushes a sailboat across the sea. If Oumuamua's acceleration truly came from such a process, then it might not be a natural object at all. It could be a vessel, a probe, or even a fragment of alien engineering drifting through space. This revelation left humanity with more questions than answers. Was Oumuamua a relic of natural cosmic processes, or was it a creation, deliberately sent across the stars? And if it was the meaning of Oumuamua, the revelations did not end with Webb's first observations. A closer analysis of its surface revealed a highly reflective outer layer, unlike anything we usually see in asteroids or comets. This strange reflectivity explained its unusual brightness, but it also suggested something more mysterious, perhaps a protective shell, or the remnants of exotic materials formed under alien conditions far beyond our solar system. Scientists also detected traces of organic compounds, raising the extraordinary possibility that Oumuamua could have carried the ingredients for life across the galaxy. This finding ties directly into the long-debated theory of interstellar panspermia, the idea that life can travel between star systems, carried aboard wandering cosmic objects. If correct, then visitors like Oumuamua may have played a role in scattering the seeds of biology across the Milky Way. It even raises the astonishing thought that life on Earth itself may have originated from such a messenger. Another compelling idea is that Oumuamua may once have been part of a planet that met a catastrophic end. Perhaps it orbited too close to a massive star or drifted near a black hole, only to be torn apart by overwhelming gravitational forces. From this devastation, fragments would have been flung into the darkness, doomed to wander endlessly through interstellar space. If this is the case, then Oumuamua is not just a traveler but a relic of destruction, a silent witness to a violent cosmic event that occurred countless ages ago. Whatever its true origin, one fact is undeniable: Oumuamua is more than a rock passing through space. It is a cosmic messenger, a fragment of the unknown, offering precious clues about how solar systems form, evolve, and eventually collapse. Its brief encounter with our world has already transformed astronomy, forcing us to expand the limits of our imagination and scientific understanding. Its presence has inspired bold initiatives like Breakthrough Starshot, a project that envisions spacecraft capable of reaching near light speed. Such technology could one day allow us to chase down interstellar visitors like Oumuamua and study them directly, unlocking answers that telescopes alone cannot provide. These daring missions are not just speculation, they are the blueprint of humanity's next great era of exploration. Oumuamua also confronts us with profound questions. If it is artificial, could it be the first indirect contact with an intelligent civilization? Was it sent deliberately as a probe, or is it the drifting relic of a long-extinct people? And if it is natural, does its existence prove that the universe is filled with countless other messengers, each carrying the raw materials of life to new worlds? Its brief passage through our skies is a reminder of how small humanity truly is, yet how vast our curiosity can become. It tells us that the cosmos is not empty, it is alive with wonders and stories waiting to be uncovered. Each discovery pushes us closer to understanding not just where we are, but who we are in the grand design of the universe. One day, more interstellar visitors will arrive. And when they do, we will be ready, with sharper telescopes, faster spacecraft, and a deeper will to uncover their secrets. Humanity may finally intercept such travelers, bringing us answers that could forever change our view of existence. Oumuamua is not simply a fleeting light in the sky. It is a symbol of exploration and wonder, a reminder that the universe is still full of mysteries. Its visit urges us to keep questioning, to keep seeking, and to keep reaching into the unknown. The cosmos is speaking. The only question is, are we ready to listen and to answer?